This video will explain how to use the Bluetooth and NFC connectivity with iOS on your Leica DISTO in combination with the DISTO Plan app. Switch on your DISTO D2. To activate Bluetooth, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds to access the Bluetooth menu. In the Bluetooth menu, press the plus or minus button to turn Bluetooth on. Confirm your selection by holding the Bluetooth button again for 2 seconds. The Bluetooth symbol will start blinking on the DISTO, indicating that Bluetooth is now active. To activate Bluetooth on the DISTO X1, press and hold the Funk button for 2 seconds to open the menu. Press the Funk button again to navigate to the Bluetooth settings and use the plus or minus buttons to turn Bluetooth on. Confirm your selection by holding the Funk button again for 2 seconds. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on in the settings menu of your iPad or iPhone. Now, open the DISTO Plan app and select My Devices from the side menu. Your DISTO is now ready to be paired. The model of your DISTO and the last 6 digits of its serial number will now be displayed on your screen. Tap Add to establish a connection. During the first connection, you will be asked to register for a free 1-year warranty extension. An image of the DISTO will appear on the screen, confirming its connection to your iPad or iPhone. At the same time, a blue Bluetooth symbol will show in the status bar at the top of your DISTO's display. Tap Info to access more information, including the user manual, video tutorials, and FAQs. The Bluetooth connection will automatically disconnect when the DISTO is turned off. It will reconnect as soon as the device is switched back on. If you are experiencing difficulties with the connection, select Info and then Forget Device in the DISTO Plan app. This will enable you to add your device again. It is also possible to use NFC to establish a Bluetooth connection. Let's explore how to seamlessly connect your iPhone to the DISTO D2. To activate NFC on the DISTO D2, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds to access the Bluetooth menu. Once in the Bluetooth menu, press the Bluetooth button again to switch to the NFC option. Turn on NFC by pressing the plus or minus button. Confirm your selection by holding the Bluetooth button again for 2 seconds. To activate NFC on the DISTO X1, press and hold the Funk button for 2 seconds to open the menu. Press the Funk button twice more to navigate to the NFC settings and use the plus/minus buttons to turn NFC on. Confirm your selection by holding the Funk button again for 2 seconds. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on in the settings menu of your iPhone. Open DISTO Plan app and go to the My Devices section and ensure both NFC and Bluetooth is enabled on your DISTO. Tap the Connect via NFC button. A prompt with an instructions will appear. Place your DISTO on top backside of your iPhone. The Bluetooth connection has been established. During the first connection, you will be asked to register for a free 1-year warranty extension. Quick tip: on most iOS devices, the NFC antenna is located near the top of the device. To ensure smooth operation, check your phone's user manual to confirm the exact position. NFC can also be used to transfer measured values into the DISTO Plan app, which is a useful feature for anyone who needs to transfer data between devices. There are 2 ways to do this. Take a measurement, tap on NFC Measure, and position the DISTO behind your iPhone. The result will be transferred to the input stack. You can then drag and drop this value onto a drawing at a later stage. Select a line in an existing drawing, take a measurement, tap on NFC Measure and place the DISTO behind your phone. The value will be transferred to the selected line automatically. Note, it is not possible to use both Bluetooth and NFC at the same time for measurement transfer. The NFC is available for DISTO D2, D2G, and X1.